Today, you will learn about equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions look different, but they represent the same value. A fraction has a numerator on top and a denominator on the bottom. Equivalent fractions keep the same amount even when the numbers change. The big rule is this: you must multiply or divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. If only one number changes, the value changes. Look at this example. 1/2 equals 2/4 equals 4/8. Start with 1/2. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. On top, 1 times 2 equals 2. On the bottom, 2 times 2 equals 4. Now you have 2/4. Next, start with 2/4. Multiply both numbers by 2 again. On top, 2 times 2 equals 4. On the bottom, 4 times 2 equals 8. Now you have 4/8. Did both numbers change by the same amount each time? Yes! That is why these fractions are equivalent and represent the same value.